Yeah, man! Hello, my name is Miguel and today I'm gonna make for you Mountain SOURSOP Juice Milk Drink. You will need Mountain SOURSOP fruit. This is a Mountain SOURSOP fruit. This is how it looks. Condensed milk, nutmeg, sugar, water. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Mountain SOURSOP fruit. This is the fruit up close. This Mountain SOURSOP weighs 1 pound. I am using half, which is half pound. When you make this drink, use 1. It usually weighs 1 pound. Double the ingredients that I'm showing you today. Get a clean, big enough bowl. Add 2 cups water. In the book, I showed you how to make this drink with 1 pound of Mountain SOURSOP. Now, peel fruit. Use your fingers. Remove the fruit's skin. However, the fastest way to do this is to peel it. Use a sharp knife. Peel the fruit. This recipe is in Cookbook, Jamaican Juice Drinks. Aphrodisiac, strong back, tonics, and wine. Use a sharp knife. Peel the fruit. Once you did that, add it in the water. But first, look at this. This is a Mountain SOURSOP fruit up close. It's peeled, and this is what it looks like. Break it apart. It's yellow. It smells exotic and sweet. The flavor is sour, is sourish, a little bit. Add it in the water. Use your fingers. Break the fruit apart in the water. This will separate the fiber from the juice and separate the seeds as well. Take out the seeds. Do this for a minute or until you feel like the juice is out of the fruit. Oh yes, before you start making any drink, wash your hands clean with soap until it suds. Wash between your fingers and your nails clean and then rinse it properly. Put the fiber in the middle of your palm. Put some fiber in the middle of your palm. Squeeze it tight to remove remaining juice. Squeeze it tight. Releases excess juice. Put some fiber in the middle of your palm. Squeeze it tight. Remove remaining juice and then throw it away. Do this until you're finished. Get a clean bowl ready. Get a fine mesh strainer ready. Place the strainer on top the bowl. Pour this mixture through the strainer into the bowl. To remove the remaining fiber into the drink, strain it twice. Use a spoon. Put it in the strainer. Use a wooden spoon in the strainer. Separate fiber from juice. Rotate it from side to side, around and around. This will drain the juice faster. While separating the fiber from the juice, this will allow it to drain faster. Do this until you drained all the juice. If you press on the fiber, it will drain the remaining juice. It's thick and gummy. Use a spoon, wipe on the outside bottom of the strainer and put that in the mixture. Use a spoon, wipe the bottom. This is good enough. Throw this fiber away. To get this recipe, buy Cookbook, Jamaican Juice Drinks, Aphrodisiac, tonics, and wine. Measure and then add half cup sugar. I'm using brown sugar. You could use granulated sugar instead. Grind 1/4 teaspoon or less nutmeg. Measure and add quarter teaspoon vanilla extract. Measure and add 2 tablespoons condensed milk. Stir in drink. Mix it properly. Mix it well. You could use coconut milk powder instead. Use 25 grams for this recipe. If you're using coconut milk, use 1 cup and remember to use 1 cup less water. Look at this, it is gummy and thick. To get this recipe, purchase Cookbook Jamaican Juice Drinks, Aphrodisiac, Strongback, Tonics and Wine. Taste it. Is it sweet enough for you? This is sweet enough for me. You could use coconut milk powder instead. Use 25 grams for this recipe. To store this drink, pour it in a jar. Seal it properly. Put it in the refrigerator no more than 5 days. Or pour it in a container, seal it. Or do like me, pour it in a clean plastic bag, seal it. Freeze it for up to 6 months or more. Seal the bag tight. This mountain soursop milk drink is as thick as buttermilk. Look at it. Before serving, mix the drink good. Shake the drink good. Serve this mountain soursop juice milk drink cool. Pour it on ice into a glass. This is Mountain Soursop Juice Milk Drink. Visit JamaicanDinners.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try making this drink yourself. Give us feedback when you do. It is jello-ish. The milk in this drink makes it creamy and delicious. The thickness and the jelliness drops to the bottom when it rests too long. I do not know if this mountain soursop fruit is a strong back fruit. What I can say, it's high in energy and is packed with potassium. This drink is good for older people that's losing muscle mass as you aged, because the way how this drink is thick and gummy, it has to be a strong back drink. I prefer to make drink with this fruit than to eat it. Come to think about it, the flavor of soursop is not so sweet. I used to eat it a lot when I was a child. There was a tree in our yard. This is an energy boosting drink. There was a 30% aftertaste in my mouth for 2 hours after drinking this drink. So that you know, this drink coated my teeth and all over my mouth. Until next time, bye. Yeah, man. On this channel, look for the episode Mountain SOURSOP Juice Lime Drink and watch it. To get this recipe, purchase Cookbook Jamaican Juice Drinks, Aphrodisiac, Strongback, Tonics and Wine. Jamaican Juice Drinks drink books are available on Amazon. If you want to purchase drink books in Jamaica, go to Ligoni Drug and Garden Center or go to Ligoni Lane Pharmacy, Kingston 6 or Fantana, Waterloo Square, After Tree, Kingston. Go buy my book